now that it's warmed up, wonder if it has to do with oil pressure. Sounds good up here, really. Sounds like it's like right there. You can really hear it from down here.